be that young nigga who stand on business, they gon' follow my call. Pitbull puppy as a youngin', now I be the top dog. Same way that I had my youngin', little bitch, I'm just too raw. Strictly about a profit, like a prophet, knew I made some shake. Follow GD and a lead, G be the reason, G the way. Educated nigga need a fee for all the game you take. Ain't religious, blueprint be my Bible, I'm a young disciple. Much respect to Hoover, screaming free Larry, ain't too much idols. G get repped in plenty states, know you see us getting at the feed the hood and giving back. Don't confuse us with them ass, don't tolerate no disrespect. Say GDK, we moving backwards, positive and productive, how we moving up in every chapter. Folks them did a food drive, had a lot of groceries. Shit you see the G doing, put the people mind at ease. Folks them fuck with sports and shit, bout to build a soccer team, football and some basketball, might just start our own league. Christmas come around, we be like Santa Claus, we give our gifts, so every time they say something negative about us, that be a trip. Like y'all don't see the work we doing, y'all don't see us make a change. Shit fucked up in our hood, y'all don't see we make a lane. Yelling MOB and GND, that'll be our thing. Know y'all be confused, but this ain't that, nigga, this ain't the game. This shit here be real, like this thing right here, it ain't the game. Say you GD, but you don't be plugged, nigga, we ain't the same. Who you got can vouch for you? Who told you you certified? Who told you you be the folks? Why you think you one the guys? Got some questions for you, you can't answer, shit gon' hurt your pride. You ain't never struggle with us, how we gon' stand at your scribe? Boss and Saw be business owner, catch her doing CCU. Might catch some in all black, might catch some in true blue. I don't really talk a lot, I ain't with the politicking. Had to put my pride aside, politic with politics. When we steppin' by division, we gon' stand on business. You used to be, but somewhere you went wrong like you forgot the mission. Put our own money up, we ain't got no sponsorships. Invested our dollars, got bank account, but still gon' count our shit like we need every dollar. Every cent we making boss move. How we got to where we at, they ask, cause we paid our dues. Gotta get this shit just like we get it off the love. Loyal to my folks, they more like kin, but they is not my blood. Studied in our Zer, that's how we know the shit we know. Developed that and then we moved out on it just so we can grow. Studied in our Zer, that's how we know the shit we know. Developed that and then we moved out on it just so we can grow.